Here's a pair of Beats Studio Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair connect to your Samsung Galaxy phone or other Androids, okay, via Bluetooth. So first thing is just make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So let me go to settings here, and then I'm going to go to connections. So my Bluetooth is turned on, okay? So now what you got to do is go ahead and just open this up. Now when you open this up, it should start blinking white, okay? And then you may get a pop-up message up here. You get a pop. Oh, there it is. So I get this pop-up message here. Then you can go ahead and connect from here. Now, if this doesn't pop up, it's no big deal. As long as this is blinking, okay, white. If yours is not blinking white, if it's like a solid white light, that means it's trying to connect to a different device. Okay, if that's the case, you have this button right here. Just press and hold that button for about 5 seconds. Press and hold it, or wait until the light here starts flashing white. Once it starts flashing white, you are in pairing mode. So even if you didn't get this little pop-up menu here, only you got to do is just, while still in pairing mode, and then we're going to go over here, make sure it's still scanning. I can see the Beat Studio Buds right here. So let me tap on that. You can see it's pairing, Bluetooth pairing request, tap on pair right there. And then from here, you can see the little settings, the gear icon. So we can go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you can disconnect or unpair as well, okay? And if you still have issues connecting or pairing, what you can simply do is factory reset this as well. Just make sure both buds are in. And then what you want to do is press and hold this button for about 15 to 20 seconds until you see a blink red. Then you can let go and it's going to perform a factory reset. All right. If you want to see that video, look in the link below. Any other questions or issues, comment below. All right. Good luck, guys.